Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of VidIntel AI, world's first video AI agent. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this. Talks back to any video like a real assistant. Just paste a link and it spits out viral hooks, transcripts, quotes, FAQs and client-ready content in seconds. The fastest way to turn YouTube videos, interviews, or webinars into instant income-producing assets. With zero skills. Seconds. This isn't some clunky editor or confusing workflow. You just paste a video URL, YouTube, webinar, Zoom call, whatever, and the AI agent takes over instantly. No waiting, no rendering, no setup. One click and boom, instant access to everything inside the video like you recorded it yourself. This AI agent sits through every second 5 minutes or 5 hours. It listens, understands, extracts, and organizes without blinking. You don't even have to press play. Just sit back while it breaks the entire thing down like a trained analyst on Adderall. You can literally talk to the video. Ask what was said at minute 17, and it answers you like it's alive. You can get summaries, pull key ideas, or ask for specific details all in plain English. It's like ChatGPT, but trained on your video, and built to serve. No more bloated transcripts or scattered notes. The AI agent compresses the entire video into crystal clear summaries. You'll know exactly what was said, what mattered, and what you can use instantly. Perfect for creating content, writing scripts, or flipping insights into cash. The app doesn't just hear the words, it feels the punchlines. It grabs the moments that hit hardest, quotes that go viral, hooks that get clicks, and lines that sell. Use them for tweets, ads, video intros, lead magnets, and more. You're not just extracting info, you're printing influence. Forget guessing where the good stuff is. The AI agent slices the video into smart, time-stamped chapters, each one clearly labeled and searchable. It's like having a content table of contents auto-generated for every video. Clients love it, YouTubers pay for it, and you just click once. This AI agent detects every speaker, even in group discussions or interviews. It separates voices, names them, and tracks what each person said and when. Want only what the CEO said during the pitch? Done. Want to highlight the panelist's key argument? It's already labeled. This isn't just for English. The app transcribes and translates in over 100 languages with shocking accuracy. That means more reach, more clients, more money. You can serve global markets, build multi-language assets, or flip translated content in niches no one's touching. Download your content in text, docs, or SRT. No formatting mess, no cleanup needed, it's already polished and labeled for delivery. Perfect for Fiverr gigs, client emails, blog posts, or personal archives. This isn't just export, this is content in a bow tie, ready to sell. Need that moment where pricing was discussed? Just type "what did they say about the launch offer," and boom, it's there. The semantic AI search understands context, not just keywords. It finds what you're looking for even if you didn't know how to ask. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.